Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared with the stars above. Sorry. We found a little spot, Anza Borrego, right before the sunset. We probably got like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna unload the Sporty. I'm gonna set up my tent right there and light this up. Yeah, Anza Borrego. First things first, Modelo Oro. Yeah. I freaking love it down here. I don't know what it is, but it's so peaceful. One hand. Stayed a couple more songs than I should at Josie's hideout. It was so much fun, live country music. But let's set up camp. I got some neighbors down there already. That's about it. Water is taking shape quick. All right, let's keep going. If anyone's wondering how does a luxury night at Anza Borrego looks like, look at that. Luxury. Throw in my I got some emergency blankets right there if I need it, but I'm gonna throw you my official blanket in there. Perfect. Keep it closed in case, you know, you got creepy crawlers in here, you know, spiders, scorpions, snakes, so keep it closed. All right, shelter's up. Let's organize everything, light up the fire. Let's see if I can get this going. Everything's so dry. It's going already. Looks good. And look what we got here for the main dish. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Kidding me? What else we need? Got the beer, got the knife, got the limon, you got the sausage, the tongs, the cutting board, little bag for trash. Come on. I love to be here, and thank you guys for coming along. Hopefully everyone likes when I share my experiences. Thank you. It's never too late. Nice. Cheers. Yeah, I covered her up, my Sportster, you know, the hipster machine, just because she's amazing. And for under $3,000 you can do a lot with it. Pretty amazing. Live to ride and ride to live. It's gonna be our carnivore dinner. Home base. That was a quick setup. It was like probably like 45 minutes. Set everything up right there. Got the fire going. And that's when the fun starts. Whew! It's hot! Oh yeah! Starting to pop. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's all ready to go. I think that one right there is the one that's gonna be the tryout guinea pig / dinner. Well, We got a couple here that looks like they're pretty much done. It's hard for me to eat and do everything with one hand, so I'll let you know how good it is in a second. Well, it's freaking amazing. Sorry, dinner time. Well, brats number one is gone. I don't know if I can eat all of them, but man, it's amazing. I don't know what it is about grinds, because those are like grinds, but man, it's so freaking good, especially with a little lime in it. Órale. Oh my god. Look at that. Ate 2 out of 3. So fun. Playing with the sausage is a sausage party. Literally. It's getting dark quick. And probably gonna eat one more. And that's it. It's gonna get dark really quick here. Oh, we got 3 more on the grill. I had 2 of them, and I pulled out the secret weapon, the Winkly Wow from Aldi's for $3. After a couple beers, bottle of wine, some sausage. It's literally a carnivore drunk moto camping, or drunk carnivore moto camping. It's only 7:15 at night. Got a couple brats, put some lime on that one, but I don't think I can finish it. Already done with the wine. I barely drank any of it, but this is amazing. Anyway, see you guys in a little bit when I'm in the tent. Probably it's gonna be soon. Night night. It's only 8:30 at night. It feels like it's midnight. It's pitch black out here. If I don't put the light on, you can see nothing. But yeah, it's only 8:30. So we're gonna burn some more wood. There's plenty of wood around. It's having a blast. So relaxing out here in Anza Borrego. And it's free camping. It's insane. Just in the water now. And done with the wine. I had a three quarters a bottle, and I might working on it again, but for now, just enjoying the evening. That's our trash right there. We're gonna take it tomorrow, and that's our campsite. Look at that. And there she is, 883, the hipster machine. Good morning from Anza Borrego. It's a little bit dark, so I'm gonna give us some light. Man, it was so windy last night, and yeah, but I had a great night. And it's about 6:30. The sun's not quite rise yet, and yeah, set up my little kitchen here. I'm gonna stay a few minutes in the tent. It's a little chilly, but just making some tea and get the day started. Let's watch the sunrise. Anza Borrego. Oh, that's my cozy quarters. I had to pull out the emergency blanket at night. It was really cold. I got a couple more here, but didn't need to use it, but just one. Yeah, let's get this day started. Well, the wind just stopped, and sun's coming out. It's just freaking amazing. It's so beautiful, and that's why I come here. Good morning, Anza Borrego. Hey, buddy. Good morning. I think so. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? I walked a few ways from the camp. We're just right below these rocks right here. But yeah, there it is. It's priceless. Good morning. about 7:15 and he just showed up around the rocks here. Time for some shades. There we go. Don't forget to take your trash. Soon we'll be out of here. And we're ready to roll before the day gets too hot. Always remember, the most important of any adventure is return home safe. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you in the next video.